guys haven't heard of AWE, they've been making exhaust for quite some time now, I think 30 years, and they really focus on how their exhausts sound, which is why they have some of the best sounding exhausts across a multitude of different vehicles. They tune the exhaust for the different engines in each of the cars, so it's no different with the GR86 and BRZ. They've tuned this for the F824, and I've got to say, it sounds spectacular. It's got a really throaty tone to it that just growls at you, and it's unique to this specific exhaust. And then you get the aggressive pops and crackles when you downshift that are just lovely to listen to and put a smile on your face. And on top of that, because they utilize the 180-degree technology that cancels out any drone, when you're just cruising on the highway at speed, it's relatively quiet and you don't get that annoying buzzing in your ear. But when you roll down the window and you get on it, it comes alive and it's just music to your ears. And it also has these massive 5-inch double wall tips that completely fill out the cutouts in the rear bumper, available in either the polished chrome or the diamond black, which I'm a huge fan of because it kind of hides the exhaust so you don't have to worry about cleaning your exhaust tips so much. And if for some reason you don't think the Touring Edition is loud enough, there's a conversion kit that turns it into their Race Edition, which deletes the mufflers, essentially turning it into a straight pipe exhaust, and I can assure you that exhaust is loud enough. But we'll cover that in a different video. If you guys are interested in this exhaust, I'll leave a link down below. Let me know what you guys think, and if you want to hear a different exhaust, comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. It's so good.